Tired of gas prices eating your weekend adventure budget? The 2026 Subaru Forester Hybrid promises better efficiency and that legendary AWD capability. But is the higher price actually worth it for real people who camp, ski, and explore? Hey everyone, welcome back to AeroNext Auto. Today, we're digging into the 2026 Subaru Forester Hybrid, specifically how much it really costs to own and how much money or heartache it can save adventure-loving drivers over the first 5 years. Let's start with pricing. In the US, the 2026 Forester Hybrid starts around $36,400 for the base hybrid trim and climbs to about $42,800 for the loaded touring hybrid. That's roughly $3,000 to $3,500 more than the equivalent non-hybrid gas model. In Canada, you're looking at roughly Canadian $41,995 for the entry-level hybrid version, going up to around $48,995 for the top trim before taxes and fees. So, right off the bat, you pay a premium up front for the hybrid system. The big question is whether that extra money comes back to you in fuel savings and other benefits. Powertrain-wise, Subaru paired a 2.5-liter boxer engine with electric motors to produce a combined 194 horsepower. It's not fast, but it feels surprisingly responsive around town and has enough grunt for highway passing. More importantly, real-world fuel economy is landing in the 34 to 37 mpg range for most owners, about 40 to 45% better than the gas-only Forester's 26 to 29 mpg average. If you drive 15,000 miles a year and gas stays around $3.50 per gallon, the hybrid saves you roughly $550 to $650 per year compared to the gas model. Over 5 years, that's $2,750 to $3,225 in fuel savings, enough to cover most or all of the hybrid premium, depending on trim and gas prices. If gas spikes to $4.50 again, like we've seen before, you break even faster. Beyond fuel, the Forester Hybrid keeps Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive, which is still one of the best systems for light off-road trails, snowy back roads, and rainy highway driving. Ground clearance stays excellent at 8.7 inches, and you still get the same rugged roof rails, strong towing capacity, 1,500 pounds, and that signature boxer engine smoothness. Maintenance costs are slightly higher than the gas version, mainly because of the hybrid battery system, but Subaru's 8-year, 90,000-mile hybrid component warranty gives solid peace of mind. Reliability predictions remain strong, just like every recent Forester generation. Insurance tends to be about $80 to $150 per year more than the gas model, mostly because of the higher MSRP. Depreciation looks very similar to the standard Forester. Subarus traditionally hold value quite well in the compact SUV class. Who is this actually good for? If you're someone who puts on mostly highway miles or barely drives 10,000 miles a year, the gas model is probably the smarter money move. But if you're regularly driving 13,000 plus miles, live somewhere with high fuel prices, or just hate stopping for gas on long adventure trips, the hybrid starts to make clear financial sense after year 3 or 4. Bottom line, the 2026 Subaru Forester Hybrid isn't the cheapest way into a Subaru, but for active families and weekend explorers who value efficiency without giving up capability, it's one of the most well-rounded options in the segment right now. If you're shopping compact SUVs and want something that can handle real adventures while keeping running costs in check, the Forester Hybrid deserves a serious test drive. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, subscribe to AeroNext Auto, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next real-world cost comparison. Let me know in the comments, gas or hybrid Forester for you. See you in the next one.